I really don't know what to say right now. Everybody noticed the anti-intellectualism and just stupidity getting worse and worse in this country, my whole life, but, I mean, I don't know what to say. I'm seriously gonna be looking into fleeing the country at this point. I'm not gonna live in a racist, sexist, misogynist dictatorship run by a felon and a convicted rapist. I'm not doing that. So, I guess my building project is on hold indefinitely. I just... The word disappointment really doesn't cover it. How could you people do this to each other and yourselves? I just don't comprehend how you could put a fascist who's like billions of dollars in debt and corrupt to the core and doesn't give a fuck about anybody but himself in office. It's just, yeah, I can't wrap my mind around this morning. I really can't. It's, something else. I'm seriously wondering how the hell this could have possibly happened. I am stunned at the ignorance of the voters in this country, and really disappointed. I'm pretty sure it's George Carlin who said, imagine the people in this country and how stupid they are, and then realize that most of them are even stupider than that, and the results of that are on full display. I mean, wow. Wow. Very, very disappointed right now. A rapist. You guys overwhelmingly voted for a rapist. Somebody who treats women like they're just objects. That's wonderful of you guys. I totally want to live among people who think like that. Nope, not at all.